You can repair a single asphalt roof shingle without buying a whole pack by trimming and installing a compatible replacement piece from leftover shingles or a new shingle cut to match. Start by lifting the tabs above the damaged shingle with a flat bar and loosening the adhesive sealant with a low heat from a hairdryer or a heat gun set to low to avoid cracking the surrounding granules. Remove the damaged portion by sliding a utility knife under the tab and cutting the shingle back to a neat rectangular or triangular piece that matches the exposed area. If you have leftover shingles, measure the damaged piece and cut an identical patch from the leftover shingle, keeping grain and granule orientation consistent so water sheds the same way. If no leftovers exist, buy a single shingle and cut out a matching section from it rather than replacing the entire shingle or pack. Make sure you choose a shingle with the same thickness and granule color to minimize visibility. Fasten the patch with corrosion-resistant roofing nails under the lifted tabs and apply roof cement under the edges of the patch and over the nail heads to seal against wind and water infiltration. Press the patch down firmly and weigh it for an hour with a clean board to ensure good contact while the cement sets. Common mistakes include cutting the patch too small, so edges are exposed and water lifts the piece, which you prevent by measuring twice and cutting slightly larger for overlap. Another issue is misaligned granule orientation that makes the patch obvious and can channel water incorrectly. Fix this by matching the grain and placing the patch with the same overhang direction as the original shingle. A third frequent problem is insufficient sealing around nails and edges that leads to leaks, so always use enough roof cement on the underside and over the nail heads and press the patch in place until the cement cures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting us search listings and read community discussion threads about real projects and experiences. We also help contractors find work by giving us a place to connect with homeowners and participate in the site discussion community.